Are you serious? Are you serious? Folks, there's a ton of asteroids, and I mean a ton of asteroids, that are going to be whizzing by the Earth in the month of January 2015. Extraordinary, very extraordinary. I mean, unbelievable amounts. Matter of fact, I'm going to put a couple links for you. One is going to be from NASA's own site called the Near Earth Object Report. And it's a significant report. It tells you every asteroid that they can see that's going to have a near miss past Earth. Now, there's none of them that are scheduled for potential impact. None of them. Okay, so that's good news. But if any of them did, they could significantly impact life here on Earth, especially if it's a big one. But none of these are. But they are close enough to be considered near misses. The numbers of them. The reason I'm doing a report, and I want to thank Vicki Richardson for this information, but the reason that I want to talk about it is the sure numbers. Because here's why. NASA, by their own words, say they only can spot about 10% of the incoming asteroids. They can only identify and spot 10%. That means there's a whole lot more that are going by us. Some of them very near misses, and that's the reason you'll see meteorites race through the sky sometimes, and no one said it was going to happen. There was some meteorites that actually went by. I shouldn't say meteorites because they don't know if it was space junk actually from the Falcon 9 or was it meteorites over Brazil a few days ago. I've seen the video, a couple of different videos of it. It's quite unbelievable. It may have been space junk, and then again, it may have been pieces of a comet. I don't know, but just so you'll know this, when you look at this chart, if you go look at this chart, now tomorrow, there's an asteroid called 2014 YE42. That's 2014 YE42. It's going to go near miss the Earth. It's going to come within 4.3 lunar distance from the Earth. It is 57 to 130 meters wide. It's a pretty big rock, and if it hit Earth, it could seriously do some damage, especially where it hits at. It's not going to, but that's just to give you an idea. For instance, a few days ago, we had one. I mean, literally on New Year's Eve. On New Year's Eve, December 31st, 2014, we had one that skimmed by the Earth. It was only 1.6 lunar distance from the Earth, and it was 12 to 26 meters in size. So it was kind of small, but if this thing hits, I mean, folks, if it was to hit, and it went really close, you would definitely know the impact of it. Well, I want you to check out the chart, though, because it's an unbelievable amount of asteroids that are going to go by the Earth. So there's one, of course, also on January the 26th, we're going to have another one that's going to be closer even. It's only going to be 3.1 lunar distance from the Earth, and it's a huge rock. When I say it's 400 to 900 meters, it's a big one. It won't hit us, but wow, imagine if it was going to. Also, on January 31st, we're going to have another one that will be within 4.8 lunar distance of the Earth. It's smaller. It's 22 to 49 meters. But that one on the 26th of January is big and is close, but it won't. But what's it bringing with us? So you may see an increase in meteor showers and different things. And remember, NASA only sees 10% by their own words. Now, they were saying that they've spent they've spent trillions of U.S. tax dollars to set up observatories, satellite systems, telescopes, high-powered abilities to see the asteroids. And are they telling us everything? And why is there such a push now to come up with a way to deflect asteroids to keep them from hitting Earth? It's because we've entered into this galactical belt where there's going to be an increase of asteroids that are going to be headed toward the Earth and no doubt start hitting the Earth. Now, if you read the Bible, you know in Revelation, there's a day coming out there where the Earth is going to literally be hit with fire and brimstone. And I assume that's a great storm in the heavens, and the heavens will be shaken. Well, one of the 15 points, taking a prophetic look at the year 2015, was the Lord really laid in my heart is God says He's going to shake the earth, He's going to shake the heavens, He's going to shake the church spiritually. And you can find the references really in Hebrews chapter 12, verse 26, and also in Luke chapter 21, verse 25 and 26. Take a look at those scriptures. Certainly, there's something going on. Something biblical's going on with the signs of the second coming of Christ. It was prophesied that this increase in activity in the heavens, and the shaking of the heavens, like a fig tree casting its untimely figs. And even David Wilkerson prophesied in 1973 of a great cosmic storm that the earth would be involved in. And of the 52-minute prophecy he gave that year, everything he said for 52 minutes before a live audience has come to pass. And it's an extraordinary prophecy. The only thing that hasn't yet is a cosmic storm. And folks, we may be in the beginning stages of approaching that storm now. And that would go right along with Bible prophecy. Jesus is coming soon. Are you serious? Are you serious? What? You better start looking up, for your redemption is drawing nigh. It's begun.